These are Daisy's boys. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Who's the one lazy boy in bed? We got one lazy boy in bed, don't we? Look at him. It's like jungle gyms in here. You just play around, little tunnels. This is play zone, huh? So that one with the green ribbon. It's Fuzz. Hey, Fuzz. You're a little bit more active right now than you were in the last video. Look, here came Frosty tromping along there. The lighter colored pup. And then this aqua colored ribbon, Frank. He is always hilarious. Aww. Look at that. Who's down here by my feet? Red ribbon. Flash. Where'd you go, Flash? There you are. So I have this chair moved back here for kind of so I could have more room. Okay, so who's in bed? What's the matter, Frosty? I know, I pulled on those ribbons. I wanted to see who you were. I needed to see. It's getting a little dark in here this evening. Oh, who's my lazy one here with the rusty red ribbon? Can I at least like turn it around there a little bit? Rusty ribbon. Rust color is Fred. Hi, Fred. Hi, Fred. Look at you. Hi, sweetie. You want to play? Or you just want some loving? Oh, look at that little tail go. Oh, gee, Fred. You were happy to somebody pet you, huh? Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah, a little Flash here. Oh, he gave you a kiss, too. You ready to go nighty-night. Now, Farley's a big lazy boy. He's over here already out cold. I don't know if I can get him back up going, but we'll try. Come on, Farley. Let's go. Oh, come on, my glove. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go play. Let's go. Look at the lot. No? I'm sorry. So, no, that's Frosty to the left. The lightest colored pup, and that's Flash. There's darker gold. That's Frosty. Did you say Hunter Green? I wanted to say Fred. And you, who are you? Lime green right there. He's gonna follow me. No, he's not. Oh, here he comes. I know. Lime green is Fuzz. A little exhausted here today. Yeah, did I pull on your yarn so we could see it? Yeah. Flash, that aggravated you. Itchy, huh? And then the aqua boy, always by my feet. Frank. Sweetness. Beautiful coat. The little boy getting trampled there with the rust ribbon. He said, I just wanted to take a nap. Isn't he adorable? That's little Fred. Boy, Fred, you are adorable. Oh, goodness. Oh, you winked. You know it. Frosty. Who else is back here? Oh, the hunter ribbon there, hanging onto my shoe. That was Finch. Oh, well, you just get up, don't you? Yeah, just a happy little boy. I kind of like your face. You're adorable. Like your ears are all perked up. That's Fred. Yes, Fred. Kind of a silkier, softer fur, too. Little boy. I'll put some weights on their pictures so we can have an idea of what weight comparisons are. Farley, we're going to try to wake you up. Come on, Farley. Let's go. Come on, Farley. Oh, this one is a big boy. Farley is a big, lazy boy. That's what happens to the big ones. They never had to go get and work for their food, right? Here's Farley. You're getting tired too? I know, I'm wearing down too. I had a big day too. Yeah. So these are just the boys from Daisy's litter at 5 weeks old. A couple of them hanging out here by my feet again, the aqua boy, and it's so hard to see. Oh, that's that little one I said. That's so cute. Yeah, very soft, silky fur. Oh, yes, I know. I love it. Yeah, little spunky face. Look at Farley. He's out. Big lazy lug. So definitely not going to be a watchdog. Just a lazy lap dog. There's the scale. I need to weigh the puppies on. Maybe tomorrow evening or Thursday, the day after, I'll try to get another set of pictures. We had a family funeral, so it's slowing me down a little this week. Bunch of wagging tails and happy puppies. It's almost 7 o'clock here, so they're winding down. I mean, it's dark. Once it gets dark outside, they get ready to settle in for their nap. They're eating hard, like snacking on hard Yucca puppy petite size morsels right now, and that's out all day long for them to snack on. And then in the evening, around 5 o'clock, they're getting some Pro Plan canned puppy food, making them nice and fat and healthy, but it also, you know, keeps their bellies content and ready for them to sleep all night then. Barf! Yeah. Who's learning to bark down there? You guys are all getting sleepy. I better hurry and get these pictures of you finished. Yeah, That's Frosty over there playing with the blanket. Get it, Frosty. Chew it up. Yeah, chew it up. And that's that Fred there with the rust color ribbon. Okay, hop around. Cutie, cutie, cutie. Okay. Good night, pups.